Savor the tastes of Sudan. Authentic Sudanese Shata recipe. Subscribe and like for a spicy culinary journey. Welcome to our channel, where we embark on a spicy culinary adventure to Sudan. Today, we're going to share with you the secrets of making an authentic Sudanese Shata. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to show your support. Let's dive into the taste of Sudan. To create this fiery Sudanese Shata, here are the ingredients you'll need. Ingredients: 10 to 12 fresh red chili peppers. Adjust quantity for desired spiciness. 4 cloves of garlic, 1 small onion, roughly chopped. 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, 1/2 teaspoon of ground paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of ground turmeric, salt. To taste. Juice of 1 lemon, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, fresh cilantro or parsley, chopped. For garnish. Now, let's experience the flavors of Sudan. Step 1. Begin by washing the fresh red chili peppers thoroughly. If you prefer a milder sauce, you can remove some of the seeds and membranes from the peppers. Step 2. In a food processor, combine the washed chili peppers, garlic, and chopped onion. Pulse the mixture until it becomes a coarse paste. Step 3. Heat the vegetable oil in a pan over medium heat. Step 4. Carefully add the chili paste to the hot oil. Be cautious, as the chili fumes can be quite intense. Stir the mixture well and let it cook for a few minutes to infuse the oil with the chili's heat. Step 5. Add the ground cumin, ground coriander, ground paprika, and ground turmeric to the chili paste. Stir everything together to incorporate the aromatic spices into the sauce. Step 6. Season the shata with salt to taste. Then, add the juice of 1 lemon and 2 tablespoons of white vinegar to balance the flavors and enhance the tanginess of the sauce. Step 7. Let the shata simmer for a few more minutes, allowing the flavors to meld together and the sauce to thicken slightly. Step 8. Once the Sudanese shata is ready, remove it from the heat. Let it cool slightly before transferring it to a jar or airtight container. Step 9. Garnish the Sudanese shata with a sprinkle of fresh chopped cilantro or parsley for a burst of freshness. And there you have it, Sudanese shata, a fiery and aromatic chili sauce that represents the authentic flavors of Sudan. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to support our content. Thank you for joining us on this spicy culinary journey to Sudan. We hope you enjoyed learning how to make this authentic Sudanese shata. Remember to subscribe and like the video for more delectable recipes from around the world. Until next time, Sudan and happy cooking.